Ever wondered if you can conquer the Fortnite island on your sleek MacBook Air? The answer is a resounding yes, and here's exactly how to do it. First things first, you'll need to download the Epic Games launcher. Head over to the official Epic Games website in your web browser. That's epicgames.com. Look for the download button, usually prominent on the homepage, and click it. Once on the download page, make sure you select the option for macOS. The launcher will then download as a DMG file. Locate this file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation process. You'll likely see a window pop up with the Epic Games Launcher icon and an Applications folder. Simply drag the Epic Games Launcher icon into the Applications folder. This will install the launcher onto your MacBook Air. Now, navigate to your Applications folder and find the Epic Games Launcher. Double-click it to open the first time you launch it. It might take a moment to set itself up. You'll then be prompted to log in or create an Epic Games account if you already have one. Enter your details. If not, follow this simple on-screen instructions to create a new account. This is free and essential for playing Fortnite. With the launcher open and logged in, you can now find Fortnite. Use the search bar or browse the game library to locate Fortnite. Click on it, and you'll see an install button. Click Install and choose your desired installation location. Though the default is usually fine, Fortnite is a large game, so the download and installation will take some time depending on your internet speed. Be patient. Once the installation is complete, the install button will change to launch. Click this, and Fortnite will begin to load. You're now ready to drop into the Fortnite Battle Royale and play on your MacBook Air. Keep in mind that performance may vary depending on your MacBook Air's specific model and age. For the best experience, ensure your macOS is up to date and close any other unnecessary applications. Enjoy the game!